In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Smartsheet with external users. If you're looking to collaborate with individuals outside your organization, this guide will walk you through it step by step, ensuring a smooth sharing process. To kick things off, start by navigating to your Smartsheet workspace or home. This is the starting point where all your sheets, reports, and dashboards are accessible. Once you're there, open the specific sheet, report, or dashboard you plan to share. It's important to double-check that you're in the correct location, because having the right information at your fingertips is crucial when collaborating with external users. Now, let's move on to sharing your document. Click on the File menu and select the Share option. You'll see a field labeled Share, where you'll enter the email address of the external user you intend to invite to your Smartsheet. Take care to input the correct email addresses to avoid mistakenly sending sensitive data to the wrong recipient. Once you've entered the correct email, it's time to set the appropriate permission level for your external user. Smartsheet provides several permission levels to choose from: viewer, editor, commenter, and admin. Consider just how much access and control you'd like this user to have, and select the option that best aligns with your needs. After setting the appropriate permission level, go ahead and click Share to finish this part of the process. Should you find yourself wanting to share only specific rows rather than the entire sheet, simply hover your mouse over the row you're interested in. A vertical three-dot menu will appear. Click on it, and from the list of options, select Send. Now you can enter the email address of the external user to whom you're sending this information. Moreover, you'll have the opportunity to add a subject and message, providing context or any instructions related to the shared data. You can also choose to include specific columns and decide whether to include a CC to yourself. Once everything is set up to your preference, just click Send, and your selected row will be shared. Another alternative for sharing your Smartsheet is by publishing it. Click on the Publish icon that you'll find in the right panel. You'll be presented with various publishing options: read-only HTML, read-only full, or edit by anyone. These determine the level of interactivity external users will have with your shared content. After selecting your desired publishing option, the system will generate a unique URL. This link can be distributed to your external users, giving them easy access to the shared sheet. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll efficiently share specific data from your Smartsheet with external users. Whether you're sending individual rows, inviting people to collaborate more broadly, or publishing a viewable link, each method offers unique advantages, allowing you to tailor the sharing experience to suit your needs. Happy sharing!